Waveforms look complicated? Let's make it simple. A waveform is just a track of voltage changing over time. It shows what the circuit is doing. Turn on, rising edge. Turn off, falling edge. Turn on then off quickly, pulse. Switch repeatedly, pulse train. This is how digital circuits talk. Flat line means no change. Straight slope means voltage changes smoothly. Square wave equals switching. Sine wave equals AC power. Triangle wave equals linear control. Damped oscillation equals energy fading. If a signal repeats, it has frequency and period time for one cycle. Period and frequency are reciprocals. Voltage equals potential difference. Peak equals from 0 volt to max. Peak to peak equals max to min. Phase equals position in a cycle. Two signals can differ by phase. Example, voltage versus current equals 90 degrees. Bandwidth equals max frequency measured accurately. Rise time equals pulse measurement speed. Higher is more precise. Vertical scale equals volts or div. Time base equals time or div. Sampling equals points or sec. Storage equals points per screen. More points equals more accurate waveform. Trigger equals sync waveform. Capture rate equals Waveforms or sec. High rate equals catch fast events like glitches. Probes connect circuit to scope. Match impedance and capacitance. Adjust compensation before measuring. Channels equals independent measurement. Input impedance equals 1 megaohm divided by 50 ohms. Use correct channel for accurate reading. Waveforms show what circuits do. With these basics, learning electronics is easier.